Here are three retirement mistakes that quietly destroy your future. Most people don't fail at retirement because they are lazy. They fail because they make a few small mistakes and then repeat them for decades. And by the time they realize it, it's too late. Sayang. So, retirement problems rarely happen suddenly. They build slowly, quietly, invisibly. Hindi natin nakikita. And the scary part, even responsible, hardworking people make these mistakes, just like you and me. Diba? Masipag naman tayo, responsible naman tayo. So let's talk about the three biggest ones. The mistake number one, relying on savings alone. The first mistake is believing that saving consistently is enough. Yes, saving is important. But retirement is not a storage problem. It's an income problem. So malaking difference nun. When you retire, your salary stops, but your expenses don't. If your money is not growing faster than inflation, you are slowly moving backwards. Right? Mistake number two, delaying the plan. The second mistake is delaying. Next year na ako magsisimula or I'll focus on pag mas malaki na yung income ko, doon na lang. Or bata pa naman ako, I'm still young. What people underestimate is time. Time is the most powerful multiplier in retirement planning. And the earlier you start, the less pressure you feel later. Yun naman yung gusto natin, lesser pressure. Waiting doesn't just delay progress, it makes everything more expensive. Yes, it makes everything more expensive. Mistake number three, depending on one source of retirement income. The third mistake is depending on one source of income. Isang salary, or one business, or one property, or just government pension. That's not a plan. That's just a hope. And it's not a retirement plan. Hope is not a retirement plan. If that one source weakens, your entire retirement plan weakens then. So let's dig deeper. Notice something about these three mistakes. They're not dramatic. They're not even reckless decisions. They're just small assumptions pero repeated for years. And small assumptions compounded over time create big consequences. So, big deal siya. So, retirement is not about guessing. Hindi dapat tayo nanguhula. It's about structure, having that certain structure. Income structure, growth structure, pati na rin risk structure. And structure doesn't happen accidentally. So, dapat yan pinagpaplanuhan. So, if you recognize yourself in any of these mistakes, that's a good thing. Because awareness is the great first step. So, follow this page because next we will talk about the real question, when is the right time to start investing? So, follow me here. All right? Also, subscribe in my channel as well.